As I make this video, it is the beginning of September, which means it's time to take a look at the August Apocabox. That's what's coming up next here on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose, your home for trustworthy information and gear reviews related to camping, survival, and general preparedness for regular folks. My name's Brian. Thanks for joining me, and thanks to the folks at Apocabox for sending me their bi-monthly boxes. I think bi-monthly is correct. Every other month they send me a box so I can show it to you. And if you're not familiar with Apocabox, it is a subscription box service that is created and run by Creek Stewart. You might be familiar with some of Creek's work from Fat Guys from the Woods, but I like Creek. He's a good dude. He's an Eagle Scout. He's got a lot of survival experience, and he's written a lot of books, and he's really focused on skills and outdoor kind of stuff. And as I said before on many of these videos, some subscription boxes are based on just getting a really high value of stuff for a lower cost. Creek went a different direction with his, in my opinion, and it's more just about unusual stuff, maybe some unique things, and some really focused on skills. So like I said before, if you're just looking to get some stuff at a discount, this box is probably not for you. But if you're looking for some unusual stuff, and maybe you want to every other month get a little something that'll teach you, you can learn from it, it'll teach you some new skills and some new projects to work on, then you might want to check out the Apocabox. So without any more rambling, let's just get right to it. Let me take one more sip of my Bushcraft coffee and see what is in the August 2020 Apocabox. And it comes with this nice little booklet that tells you what's in there, and seems to have some pretty cool stuff. So let's just get right to it. In no particular order, the first thing that my hand fell onto is some Apocawax multifunctional waxing bar. And let's see what it says about this. It says that it's a proprietary blend of natural beeswax and paraffin with countless field applications, including waxing and waterproofing fabric and boots or traps or lighting fires or a whole lot more. Wax is just a really, really useful thing to have. And this is some beeswax and paraffin, right? So it's pretty good. And if you go to apocabox.com/Apocawax, it teaches you how to make your own wax canvas. So that's pretty cool there. So that's the first thing. And the next thing is this. What is this? This is off the grid switch, which I think is pretty cool. It's basically just a little kind of a battery powered LED light with looks like a light switch. So you can stick it, and it's got some both a little nail slot here or just some sticky pads. So you can stick this on the wall somewhere maybe you don't have a light, or maybe somewhere you just want to have an emergency light just in case, and turn it on. It's got just like a light switch. So that's pretty cool. I've seen those before, but this one's kind of camouflage, so maybe that'd be great for like a hunting camp or just for your tent or whatever. So there's that. Then there's a pocket field guide from Creek, Secrets of the Figure 4 Deadfall Trap. And like I said, Creek is a pretty good author, and this thing has got some nice illustrations and black and white pictures in it. Really show you how to hone in and really do a good job on a Figure 4 deadfall. So that's a really very useful trap to know if you want to learn. If you like primitive traps and that sort of thing. Like I said, these boxes are more about skill than stuff. Let's see what's next. So I think this is a crow call kit. It's a nice little canvas little bag, and let's see what's in here. So, and it is I'm not sure how this thing works, but it's a crow call kit, and it has a little instruction here that tells you how to put it together. And there's also a little a video on the Apocabox site that tells you how to put this thing together too, Apocabox. So that's a crow call, pretty cool. What's next here? This is a shark tooth knife kit. This is a really project heavy month, and I think the last few ones I've seen, few months Creek has done, he's kind of gone project oriented, which I think is pretty cool. So this comes with a little sail needle here, some thread or sewing thread, some kind of wax thread maybe. Let's see what it says about here. And then it has a shark tooth in it, and it contains all the parts and pieces to make an awesome little shark tooth scalpel, because these things are pretty sharp. So pretty cool there. It's got some of this kind of like, maybe it's just a flattened out glue stick, but it's kind of like a resin that you can melt, and then I don't know what this is, but again, there's a another video on Apocabox site to tell you how to do this one too. So this is another cool little project. The shark tooth knife. Okay, get that one back in there. And then there's another bag here, and this is the what is this? This is the Apocabox 3-pin folder. Pretty sure. Let's see. Let's dump this out here and see if this is what this is. I think it is. Yep. They've teamed up with the folks over at Reptile Toolworks, who they've had some pretty cool knives from in the past, to make this. And this is a knife kit. So you can see it has a blade inside here and some wood blanks that I guess you can carve down to make to be however you want them to be. Never before seen custom knife kits. So it's going to be step-by-step instructions are included, and here they are. And that's pretty cool right there. So another great project. I tell you, I think this would be a great kit to a great box to get with your kids and to do some of these projects with your kids and just as a family or just for yourself. But I just think it's pretty cool. So that's the knife kit. A couple more things in here and we'll wrap this one up. They have the Apoca key, which is a large curved hook, perfect for opening doors and stuff. It's designed and made right here in Georgia. I like that. And it is a EDC keychain tool. So, you know, so you don't have to touch stuff, especially everybody's really concerned about that right now. So you can push elevator buttons or keypads on, you know, ATM machines. You can open doors with that without touching anybody else's germs. So there's the Apoca key. And then finally, this Apocabox ground pad. And this is just a 100% cotton canvas square that is about, I say 18 by 18 inches. And you can look at a video on the Apocabox and learn to turn this into a wax canvas square. So it's pretty cool. Just a way to keep your stuff, you know, keep your stuff off the ground, whatever that stuff might be, or parts of your body. So. Chuck Norris once took a lie detector test. The machine confessed to everything. Anyway, that's the Apocabox 2020. I got to say, I think this is pretty cool. I really like the, I like to figure this crow call out. I like stuff like that. I think that's pretty cool. And the, believe it or not, I think the Apocabox is pretty cool too. I like stuff like that. So anyway, that's the, again, August 2020 Apocabox. And I think, again, I like the, it seems like Creek has kind of really increased his focus on projects and you know, stuff that you make and tools and different things. And there's not really a lot of fluff and a lot of little doodads and junk in here. I think it's really something that could be really interesting and fun to do. So thanks again to the folks at Apocabox for sending me this. If you're interested, it's I think it's myapocabox.com. I'll put a link in the video description below. And you know, I don't get a commission on this stuff, on these. I don't get any payment for these. They just send them to me and I show them to you because I think they're cool. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. And as always, thanks for watching Survival on Purpose. I put out a new video every Friday, Saturday, sometimes random videos like these throughout the week. If you want to make sure you don't miss a single one, I invite you to go to survivalonpurpose.com/subscribe and get to sign up for my weekly email newsletter. Every week I'll send you an email with links to all previous videos and maybe some cool offers and news and deals that I don't get to post on the channel here very much. Every now and then I'll do a giveaway or something on there, and it's just a way for us to stay in touch, just in case YouTube decides they don't like you know, they don't like my gun-friendly conservative content. So anyway, I really appreciate the support. Once again, my name's Brian. You're watching Survival on Purpose. Remember, survival's not an accident. So be prepared, and I'll see you next time.